Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter addition 3 digits. The lessons we're going to cover today are add multiples of 100, addition with 3-digit numbers, addition with 3-digit numbers, addition word problems up to 3 digits. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 2 math. Chapter we are on right now is addition 3 digits. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is added. 300 plus 100. So both the numbers have the same number of zeros. They have two numbers at the end. So when the numbers have same zeros, that is easy to add. Let's just write them down one above the other and start adding from the ones digit. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then ones digit 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 10 0 plus 0 is 0. And 100 digit you have 3 and 1. So 3 plus 1 makes 4. So 300 plus 100 equals 400. The correct option is 400. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. > 500 plus 100. Okay, so you need to write them down one above the other. You need to add 500 plus 100. 2 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So that is 600. 500 plus 100 makes 600. Option number 1 is the correct option. 200 plus 400, which is the correct option. So let's just write them down one above the other. That is 200 plus 400. So together they make 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So the correct option is 600. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 600. 100 plus 800, which is the correct option. That is 900. 100 plus 800 makes 900. So the correct option is 900. 700 plus 100. So which is the correct option? 700 plus 100 equals, that is 800. Option number 2 is the correct option. Three 300 plus 500. So the correct option is, that is 800. Option number 1 is the correct option. One 100 plus 100. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 200. Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. Four 400 plus 200 equals 600. Option number 2 is the correct option. 600 plus 100, which is the correct option? That equals 700. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is addition with three-digit numbers. Let's just start with the lesson. Add 206 plus 5. So let's just write them down one above the other. Now add the 1. 6 plus 5 makes 11. Write 1 over here and carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, and then you have to write 2. That is 211. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. 158 plus 5. So that is 158 plus 5. That is 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Write 3 here and carry 1. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 1. That is 163. So that is 163. Option number 3 is the correct option. 904 plus 1. So which is the correct option? That is 905. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. 240 plus 8, which is the correct option? 240 plus 8 makes 248. Option number 3 is the correct option. 292 plus 6, which is the correct option. Very good. That makes 298. Option number 3 is the correct option. 169 plus 2, which is the correct option. That is 171. Option number 1 is the correct option. Three hundred and 58 plus 7, which is the correct option. So you have to add, that is 358 plus 7. So start adding the ones: 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Write 5 over here, carry 1. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 3, that is 365. Option number 3 is the correct option, that is 365. 430 plus 6, so which is the correct option? 430 plus 6 makes 436. Option number 1 is the correct option. - 712 plus 4. That is 716. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is Addition, what three-digit numbers? Okay. Addition word problems up to three digits. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Blue Point had 428 people before it became a stop at the railroad. Now there are 77 more people living there. How many people live in Blue Point now? So earlier there are 428 people. Now they have 77 more people. So you have to add. Start adding with the ones. So you have to add 8 plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8 plus 7 makes 15, 5, 1 carry. 7, 8, 9, 10, 0, 1 carry. 4 and 1 makes 5, that is 505. The correct option is 505. Option number 3 is the correct option. A mama bear has eaten 751 fish. Her cub has eaten 30 fish. In all, how many fish have the bears eaten? — 751 plus 30. Just add. Start adding the ones. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then you have to add the tens. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 7. That is 781. Option number 2 is the correct option. Last Saturday, Rayleigh and her friends had a huge snowball fight. During the fight, 300 of the snowballs hit their targets and 57 of them missed. How many snowballs were thrown? So, which is the correct option? That is 357. Option number 1 is the correct option. A school book fair sold 767 chapter books and 53 picture books. How many books were sold in all? So you have to add 767 plus 53, which is the correct option. That is 820. Option number 1 is the correct option. Last week, Nolan and Leon went on a road trip. Nolan drove 398 miles and Leon drove 43 miles. Overall, how many miles did they travel? Let's just add 398 plus 43. So, which is the correct option? 8, 9, 10, 11. You need to write 1 and carry 1. 9 and 1, 10 and 4, 14, 4, 1. 3 plus 1 makes 4. That is 441. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 441. Even is building a cabinet, he needs 767 1-inch bolts and 21.5-inch bolts. How many bolts are in all does even need? So 767 plus 20 equals, that is 787. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is complete the addition sentence up to 3 digits. Let's just start with the test questions. Fill in the missing number. 535 plus missing number equals 539. So you need to find the missing number. You are given three of the options. You can try with the option. Start with the first one, that is 535 plus 4. So start with the first one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 and 5. That is 539. So that means 4 is the correct option. If you add 4 to 535, that equals 539. Option number 1 is the correct option. When you add 4, that equals 539. 353 plus missing number equals 359. Start with the first one. 353 plus 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that isn't the correct option, right? Check with the second one. 353 plus 6. That is 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 and 3. That is 359. Option number 2 is the correct option. When you add 6 to 353, that makes 359. Fill in the missing number. 9 plus the missing number equals 527. 9 plus 518 equals 527. 3 plus the missing number equals 755. 3 plus 752 equals 755. Option number option number 2 is the correct option. 581 plus missing number equals 583. Which number is it? That is 581 plus 2 equals 583. Fill in the missing number. 8 plus the missing number is 142. That is 8 plus 134 equals 142. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is missing number plus 6 equals 903. So, which is the correct option? That is 897 plus 6 equals 897 plus 6 equals 903. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we are working on is addition 3 digits. The lesson we have covered today are add multiples of 100, addition with 3-digit numbers, add word problems up to 3 digits, complete the addition sentence up to 3 digits. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusion. So you can please write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer confusions if you have any. Any questions? Okay. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.